Okay guys, Reaper here. Got a new toy in. Found this on Amazon. Good deal. It is, we're gonna close it up for a second. It's the X-Dragon solar panels. I downloaded a real cheap app for my phone. It's a light meter. Put it in optimal sunlight, and as we can see, let's see. I started in an hour. It's been almost a half an hour now.
See it or not?
I don't know if you can see that or not. It's a little bright out here. We set it for an hour. We now have 32 minutes and 40 something seconds left in the hour. Her phone was at 31% when we plugged it in. Now we're going to check it and see what it's at. Still charging. And we're now at 49%. You probably can't see that. Maybe you can. We're at 49%. It's a little bright out here, but it has to be in the bright to charge good. So in about 30 minutes, we brought it from 31 almost up to 50. So I'm pretty impressed with the little thing for being $29 before shipping, which was like another $6. Not bad. Definitely something I'm going to keep in my bag for camping. I tried charging a tablet. That's a little slower, pulls a little more juice, but it's a 14 volt solar panel. Puts out, or I'm sorry, 14 watt solar panel, puts out about 5 volts. And the only thing that we found out is you definitely have to keep the phone under something, away from the sun. The panel does get a bit hot. So the other thing we found too, I got a slightly thicker cord than came with it. The little cord, I've been reading up on it. The thicker the cord, the faster it charges. So less resistance in the wire. So which makes sense. But we're going to keep trying different things. We're going to be charging the camera that we're using to shoot this. It's like a little GoPro. See how long that takes to fully charge. But so far so good. I'm really impressed with it. In fact, I'm impressed enough that I'm looking to get another one to throw in my wife's pack, because when we go out camping, we're going to have 2 phones to charge, the GoPro to charge, and we're going to keep our battery power bank that we have. We want to charge that too. Each one of these has 2 ports built into it. See if you can see it. Has 2 ports. The little LED light that says it's charging, if you can see the lights on. And it also came with a bunch of these little clips, which is kind of cool, because around the entire thing here, it has these handy little fastener loops that are all around the panel here. And I have one of them on already. You can clip it to your backpack, and while you're backpacking, as long as it's got solar light, you're charging. So pretty handy little invention. Definitely gonna probably invest in another one of these, so we have one for each pack, and then we can charge twice as many things. But yeah, definitely for almost 30 bucks on Amazon, 36 or 7 if you count shipping and tax and all that. Not a bad item. Definitely recommend it. One of the best I've seen. I've seen other reviews on a lot of them. The little ones are they say the panels aren't big enough to cover everything. But the other thing I like too, this is also water resistant. They say don't leave it out in a thunderstorm, but then again, in a thunderstorm, you're not going to be really charging anything either. You know, you kind of need the sunlight. And like I said, you can get a little app on your phone to angle it to get the best sunlight hitting it. Right here is where the best sunlight's hitting it, so this is where I'm going to leave it for a little bit. I did try a really long cord, like someone has said, but it seemed like it was charging slower, I guess because it had to travel so far and we were losing voltage or amperage in the distance of the cord. But so far this cord right here seems to be doing rather well. We're going to keep testing it and see how long it takes to fully charge something. Like I said, her phone was down to 31%. We're almost at 50 now. It's only been about 30 minutes. So for a cheap renewable source of power while you're out camping, I'd say this one definitely a good deal. But once we find out more, we'll let y'all know more.